Hello students, today let us understand one concept from the topic circle, class 9th. The property is a perpendicular drawn from the center of a circle on its chord bisect the chord. So let us try to understand this diagrammatically first. So let us have this circle with center O where segment AB is a chord of a circle. Now here as we can see OP is a perpendicular to chord AB. In this case, if segment OP is the perpendicular which is drawn on chord of a circle, by this theorem, this perpendicular OP bisects the chord, that means makes two equal parts of chord, that is AP is congruent with PB. Now we are going to verify this property by using a GeoGebra. So let's move to GeoGebra interface. Now to verify this property, firstly we must have a circle. So click on circle icon, take any point on this interface as a center and drag from center A to have a circle. This is the circle with center A. There is another point B on it. Now we have to draw one chord. That's why we'll select a segment icon. Then we'll click anywhere on this circle. So to have point C, we must have another point to have a chord. So let us click here to get point D. So here the segment CD is the chord of a circle as its both endpoints are on the circle. Now we have to draw a perpendicular from the center of a circle to the chord CD of a circle. For this one we have a perpendicular option. We have here a perpendicular line on that. Then click on point A as we want perpendicular from point A, and we have to draw a perpendicular on segment CD. That's why click anywhere on this segment CD to get this perpendicular. So this line GF is the perpendicular from point A, that is the center of a circle, to a chord. Let us name this point of intersection. So this is the point E where the perpendicular bisector and chord CD intersect each other. Now we have to verify that whether this perpendicular line bisects the chord CD or not. That means if it bisects the segment CD, then the distance CE must be congruent with distance DE as the bisector, in the sense a line which makes two equal parts of a segment. So if it is a bisector, segment CE must be congruent to segment DD. So to verify that, we have to measure the distance C and the distance ED. We have here distance or length icon. Click on that. Firstly click on point C and then click on point E to get the distance C as 3.06. Now we have to measure the distance ED. So for that click on point D, then on point E to get the distance D as 3.06. So as we can observe here, CE is 3.06 and DE is also 3.06. That means CE is equal to D. That is, this line bisects the chord. So we have verified here the theorem, that is perpendicular drawn from a center of a circle to the chord bisect the chord. So this is how we have verified the property. Hope you understand this concept. Thanks.